Hello and welcome, students. As we are concerned only with the subject public international law, we have already dealt and differentiated between what is national law and what is international law. And now we are going to differentiate between what is public international law and what is private international law. Our main concern is to understand what is public international law. In that sense, we need to differentiate now with what is private law and how it has been differentiated with public international law. Okay, to start with, our main topic, main subject, public international law, it deals primarily with the states and to some extent with the individuals. That is, these laws are meant to be applied to states. As we have already defined what is international law, public international law, it is a law dealing with the relationship between two states primarily, and relationship between the states or the other subjects and the relationship between them. Whereas in private international law, the private international law deals primarily with the individuals of the two states, the parties to which they belong, the parties to which nation they belong to. It primarily deals with that state laws. Again, under public international law, the laws or the rules of public international law are not part of the internal law of the state concerned. It is not a law of a particular state, not a law of a particular nation, but it is a common law applied to all the states. Whereas the private international law or the rules are part of the internal law of the state concerned. That is, the parties to a case to which they belong to which to the nation to which the parties belong to. It is a law of that nation. Again, the public international law is applied uniformly to all the states. It is applied uniformly. There is no discrimination between the powerful states or the non so powerful states or the developed states or the underdeveloped or developing countries. There is no discrimination. The laws are meant to be applied equally to all the states. Whereas in private international law, the law differs from state to state. That is, the parties to a case to which they relate, to which to the nation to which the parties relate in a case, the law depends upon that nation's laws. Again, in public international law, the law evolves largely through the consent of the states by means of customs and treaties. This is what we learnt from our sources of public international law. We know what are the sources of public international law. It is not the particular country's sources, it is as a whole together. The customs prevailed all over the world uniformly. It has been codified, and some customary laws have been evolved. And again, the conventions, the laws applied in the conventions, treaties, all those are codified and made a law, international law. So the law in public international law evolves largely through the consent of the states by means of customs and treaties. But whereas in private international law, the private international law is enacted mainly through the legislation enacted by the legislatures of different states. It is a law enacted by the country of the parties to a case in the respective states. In the respective country's legislature, that is parliamentary system, has enacted that particular law. So this law is enacted and depends upon the laws enacted in that state. It is not uniformly again applied. So this is the difference between private and public international law. Thank you.